Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
How to build a new Excel workbook. Pretty simple. We can hit Control N or File New. But before we start, this is an overview. When we hit File and New, this is a preview of what to expect. Here we have pre-built templates, and there's an endless supply of templates that you can use, or you can build your own workbook. This is a workbook, not a worksheet. The workbook will be like a new file, but here it's a new workbook or a new spreadsheet. And start off, we're going to hit Control N. Here we have Book 1. It's a new workbook or a new spreadsheet, and you can name it whatever you want. You can format it. It's a naked spreadsheet. It's up to you to do whatever you want to do with this particular workbook. To close it, just hit Control F4, and we're back to the start. Now let's go to File, New. You can see a list of tools available. If you want a blank workbook, just hit blank, and again, Book 2. Why? Because there's a cache within Excel that will keep track of when your workbooks have been opened, and this is just Workbook 2. If I hit Control N for Control New, you're going to see Workbook 3. If I hit Control F4, we close both. If you want a new workbook, but you just want to hit New, you hit New, and then you have a lot of options. If you want a business-oriented type, you just hit the business type topics. And these are all just pre-built templates. If you want this particular format, there you go. There's an amortization table. You can call it loan analysis worksheet. Just hit, or whatever you want to call it. If you have a company name, it says ABC loan analysis. There you go. You have a pre-built amortization table. Control F4, File, New. You go across here, suggested searches. You can look at the long list of templates and do a search. You can go up top here as to what you've looked at recently. A lot of options. Now, if this is your first introduction to Microsoft and Microsoft Excel, when you open the Excel workbook for the first time, you're going to get this new vision. Your new Excel application will open this format every single time. If you want to get rid of this startup or this new look, just go to File, Options. You'll hit General, and then scroll down to the link that says Show the Start Screen when this application starts. Disable that. When you open up Excel the next time, the new dialog box will not show up.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.